What I constantly repeat to students is it's so much better to try something and be wrong than to say, I don't know how to do this. Hey, I'm Max, and I'm an author for some of the product and growth courses at Wagon. My first interaction with Wagon was actually as a student. I love the very collaborative and exercise-focused teaching methodology of Wagon. And so when the Wagon team asked me to write the marketing and data automation course, I was 100% in. But it was a great opportunity for me to really cement my knowledge on automation, create a course that I thought I would have wanted years ago when I was sort of getting into the field, and well, the opportunity to meet hundreds and hundreds of students and really teach and share my passion for data, automation, and well, pretty much anything on a computer. I mean, I've always been interested in tech. I was a big gamer when I was young, so always, on my computer, loved, playing around with files and writing code. So I think quite naturally, I just gravitated towards the tech world. I love automation. I love when people come to me and say, I'm spending, hours and hours and hours a week doing this very boring task, and I can say, I can take that out of your hands. Yeah, it's fun to build, and it's fun to sort of watch people get all this time back and really be able to focus on what they're hired for, which is creating human experiences, high quality experiences for prospects, leads, or customers. There are so many sub-professions or jobs within growth marketing. Most people won't use all of the skills that are covered, but what is really interesting is they should have enough information to be able to pick one job that they are really going to be interested in, and then that'll be the beginning of their journey, and they'll be able to dive deeper and deeper, using also all of the other knowledge that was shared to them during the course. I would say something unique about the way that I built the growth marketing course was I didn't want to talk about anything that I don't believe in. I really wanted to stay true to what I've had personal experience with, what I've had direct feedback from people in my network that has worked for them, versus taking what would be maybe a very generic coverage of the topic and covering very buzzword friendly frameworks, but that in practice don't really mean anything. So I wanted to spend focusing on things that I thought would actually make the students useful elements of their business, being able to either build, plan, or execute on a strategy, rather than being able to look smart to their peers or to their manager.